If we want to amend access rights to your Xero file, so again, we're going to click on the name of the organization and we're going to then go back to settings. And then we're going to go to users, which is the second tab on the left. When we go into users, so currently in my demo file, I've just got myself as a user. So I'm going to add on a new user. So I've got to click on invite a user. And then I've got to populate the person's details. So I'm going to be using one of our employees, and it's put in their email address, their name, their surname. And then I've got to choose what sort of access that they have. So because this is a demo model, this has projects. So we're going to ignore this because this doesn't affect us, and also the payroll. So projects and payroll is not available in South Africa. We're then going to click on business and accounting. So within business and accounting, we have different types of access rights. We've got invoice only, standard, advisor, and read only. So for her, I'm going to just give her advisor rights because she is going to be in this demo file. She's going to be the one that's going to be handling all of the processing. And she's going to be the one that's gonna be able to manage this file completely. So I'm going to give her full access. And then I then just click on send invite, and she will then receive an email with instructions to follow in order to access the Xero file.